I'm not trying to push you, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute, okay? But I'm back with this unit that I can honestly say it shocked me. It's better than I thought it was going to be. You know, a curly unit, after like trying out so many curly units, it's like the excitement kind of dies out. But when I get a curly unit that kind of shocks me, it's like, ooh, okay. So this unit is from Nadula. I've tried so many textures from this company. This particular texture I've tried a gazillion times. So it is their curly texture, 20 inches. It's a lace frontal wig. You guys are going to see the construction of the cap in probably like less than a minute. It's your standard average cap size unit, and the fit was perfect, you guys. Perfect. So perfect that for installing this unit I didn't have to do bold hold across the whole head, and I typically like that because I'm getting a little lazy in my pregnancy, okay? The less I gotta deal with the bold hold, whatever, the better. So I only had to use the bold hold extreme cream on the ends where the ear tabs are, and then just lightly in the front I use the Got To Be Glue Insta Hold hairspray. So, and I did take advantage of the adjustable straps in the back, which is probably why this fits so snug and so good. Like when I put it on, I almost thought, I was like, is this gonna be glueless? But then, you know, I'm about to have this wig on for a few days. I don't want to be messing with the glueless and then just have it not looking how I want it to look the next day because I'm going out of town. So the lace on this unit is perfect for my skin tone. Like I didn't really have to, you guys are gonna see it, but I didn't really have to use my True Match Lace Conceal Spray, but I did it, just being extra. But I definitely could get away with not using it. I did pluck this unit a lot, like I normally do with all of my lace frontal wigs. I did trim the hair just a little bit, just to give me some layers and to frame my face. I feel like it's more flattering for me. So yeah, I definitely trimmed just a little bit, nothing major. The hair is extremely soft and fluffy, and it's not overly frizzy. It's really, in my opinion, not getting frizzy at all. I'm just really liking this unit. I'm loving the texture, the feel, the look of it. And I was definitely debating between the middle part and the flip over, but child, when I did the flip, that's what it was gonna be, okay? So really, there's nothing much I need to say. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I will have an update down in the comments section. And I believe I forgot to mention this, but everything that I just told you guys about, like the details, the company, is gonna be in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I know they usually give me a coupon code. I never say that, I'm sorry, but if y'all look in the description box, y'all see that coupon code. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you out in the next one. Bye.
Better run, faster than my booty. Holly and the kids with frontal gigs. Better run, how am I going? Holly and the kids with frontal gigs. Better run, how am I going? Robert's got a quick head. I'm not trying to push you, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know, yeah. we can hold